guys, how's it going? My name is Ernest Piech, nickname on the Facebook Ernesto Barbero. I would like to show you today the old school haircut, the classic haircut from the 90s. I call this haircut Wolf from the Wall Street. That is typical haircut from the man who would like to look like a businessman, looks natural look, nothing fancy. Like I said before, that is classic haircut from the 90s. And we start from the clipper, from the biggest number, from the number 3. That's the 9mm. And we start from the sides. I always start cutting from the sides. We start making memory line. I always use the biggest number, like now. Now we change blade for number 2. That's gonna be 6mm now. And we're going back now. Now we change number 1, that's the 3mm now. And we want to work only on that area, around the ears and back as well, make natural shape, natural look. We start from the ears, Now we close the blade, completely closed. Before working on the open blade, now we close the blade and working very low on that area to make natural look. And we have to remember hair growing not only one way, hair growing and up and down. That's why you have to work all the time and change direction like that. Most barbers working only one way. That's very wrong, that's very bad. You never make perfect haircut when you work like that. You have to change direction. Now we open half blade. Without number, that's only half. You have to go in very gently. Perfect. Now I close the blade. Now we have 0, like that. And we start working on that area. The rest haircut I finish with work on the comb like before. We have to put skin, pull comb to the skin like that and working, going up. When his comb is too big, it's the best idea working on that place on the smaller comb. For example, on that comb, more handy for you. And we do the same on the other side. Okay, now I'll make the shape around the ears and clean the neck as well. That's why before I always clean very well hair from the around the ears, from the neck, before I put water on the top. And one more tip, guys, for you is remember, don't straight ask customers to clean the ears from the hair. That's very important as well. Or about eyebrows as well. It's good to ask customer to trim the eyebrows or clean the hair from the ears. Now I start working on the part on the top of the hair. We do only trim. I would like to keep the length. That's why I want to trim the hair only. More focus on the sides, on the back, and leave some length. Put more volume on the top. I put water now. On this haircut, you don't need to make sections. That's gonna be like a classic cut without sections. We're working only scissors and the biggest comb that I have. I start to make my memorial line and now going back. I don't want to cut too much on the top. When I do, we make spiky look hair and we can't brush back anymore. That's why we have to only trim the hair. We start cutting from the sides now. Pull hair up like that, and we're cutting on the ends. Front have to be a little bit longer. That's why we do like that. That is 65 degrees to trim the hair. When we do like that, we can still keep the longest front. When we push hair back, that's gonna be looks really awesome, nice. When we trim the front, we have to trim on the two way. One way like I do now, and another way we have to trim like that as well. And now guys, now we start work on that area to blend the hair, make nice shape. When you're working like that, we have to always put comb to my way. Make not square look, just make something like that. Up and down, that's very important guys. You don't want to go too high, that's why working on that area only. Now most barbers forget about try working on the scissors only. Scissors put. This hairstyle is very important now. When you know how to use the scissors, you know how to use the razor. Now most barbers working only like skin fade haircut styles. You have to remember how to use the scissors, and when you know how to use scissors, you'll be perfect, you'll be the best. Now we have to check the sides one more time. And now guys, we start to make natural look with dry hair now. We use the hair dryer and natural brush, ceramic brush. Okay. And for the finishing, I would like to use the comb and blade. That's be like freehand cutting. I would like to cut this single hairs. You have to be careful when you do this. When you do this, it's not easy, it's very dangerous. The same we do on the sides as well. And now we put some volume up now to keep length. Working on that technique when you have very thick hair. Some part you have not really thick hair, that part is very heavy, that's why I work on the technique. And for the finishing, I would like to use the powder. I would like to put the volume up. That's why powder is the best. That's gonna be a matte look, not wet look. When you put wet look on his hair be look like no hair, because his hair is not really thick on the top. That's why the best for the man is the powder. It's very strong product. That's why be careful. Don't put too much this product on the hair. It's very strong. And for the end, I use very good product, 4 Seasons hairspray. Is really good stuff, guys. Really nice smell, very strong. It's really nice smell, fresh smell, you know. Haircut is done, guys. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Please follow me on Facebook. For more details, just text me on the Facebook page or for another website page. I would like to show you new fashion look styles, like old school as well. My name is Ernest Piech, nickname Ernesto Barbero. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon. All the best. Thank you.